People think if you don't talk a lot, you don't know English. If you stay quiet, they assume you are weak. If you think before speaking, they think you are confused. But what if silence is actually strength? What if fluency is not about talking more, but about saying the right words?
I used to believe that fluent English means nonstop talking, fast, loud, endless. But every time I tried, I sounded nervous and fake.
Because real confidence is not noise. Real confidence is clarity. Today, this episode is for the quiet thinkers, the observers, the introverts, who don't want to talk more, they want to talk better. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Ease, where learning English is simple, natural, and practical. I'm Sarah, your English teacher.
And I'm Alvin. And if you are someone who thinks a lot but speaks less, today's episode is for you.
Many people believe introverts are bad at English, but that is completely wrong.
Introverts are not bad speakers. They are selective speakers.
Exactly. And today, we will show you how to speak English without changing your personality. Fluency is not about long sentences. Fluency is about clear sentences. Instead of saying 10 confusing lines, say one strong line. Examples. Instead of, actually, I was thinking maybe like, if possible, we can maybe do tomorrow, say, tomorrow works better for me. Short, clear, confident.
So fewer words, stronger impact?
Exactly. Introverts already think before speaking. That is your superpower. You don't need big vocabulary, you need power phrases. When someone asks your opinion, I think this is a good idea. I'm not fully convinced. I need some time to think. I agree with that. I see your point. These sentences are short but intelligent.
And they don't require long explanations.
Yes, you are not silent, you are precise.
Sarah, introverts struggle to start conversations.
Then don't start, join. Use small entry lines. That's interesting. I've noticed that too. Really? Tell me more. I was thinking the same. You don't need speeches, just open a small door.
That feels natural, not forced.
Extroverts talk more. Introverts listen more, and listening is a huge advantage. When you listen carefully, your responses become sharper. Example, someone says, I'm tired of my job. Instead of a long answer, say, what part of it frustrates you the most? One question, deep impact, instant respect.
So introverts win by asking better questions.
Questions create conversations without pressure. Even if you speak less, your body language should say, I am confident. Simple tips. Maintain eye contact for 2 to 3 seconds. Keep shoulders relaxed. Nod slightly when listening. Speak slowly, not fast.
Slow speaking feels powerful.
Because it shows control.
Small talk is the biggest fear.
Keep it simple. Safe topics. Weather, work, hobbies, movies, travel. Example lines. How's your day going? What do you usually do on weekends? Have you seen any good movies lately? You don't need to continue forever. 2 or 3 lines are enough. Alvin, imagine we are at a meeting.
Okay.
What do you think about this plan?
I think it's good, but we may need more time.
Perfect. Short, intelligent, clear.
No pressure, no over-talking.
Silence is not embarrassment. Silence is processing. When you pause before speaking, people think you are thoughtful. Instead of filling silence with, take a breath and say, let me think for a moment. That sentence alone makes you sound mature. Listener practice. Now your turn. Answer this in one sentence. What do you enjoy doing in your free time? Remember, one sentence is enough. Confidence is not quantity. Confidence is quality.
You don't need to become loud to become fluent.
You don't need to change your personality to change your English.
Introverts are not bad speakers.
They are selective speakers.
Talk less, but say something meaningful.
Because English fluency is not about noise. It is about impact. If today's episode helped you, share English with ease with someone who thinks quietly but wants to speak confidently.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.